Alright guys, finally got the right push button switch in. I'd ordered one and it wasn't the right size. This is a 19 millimeter, which is about 3/4 or so. And looks like it's gonna work good. Little momentary button switch. So I gotta get the lug loose on there. Get these wires back in. You can see that one of the lugs from the other one is still on here. So get all that undone and then toss it over there in the hole. Pretty good. That is it. And that looks way better. Nice little clean button in there. Everything put together on the bottom. And it works. Nice. Alright guys, so here is one of our newest single-sided swing arms that we offer. It matches the old ones that we offer, and we still have those, and those are PVC, which will last forever and does good. And these newer ones are like a vintage leather, so these are actual real leather, and it's still got the hard inside on it, so it'll still retain its shape, but it looks really good and should match our seat really good here, being all leather. So it does have the clips on it here. It's easy to open. You can use the buckles if you want to. They do work, but you can clip through these. You've got a strap on the top, just keep rain out and stuff like that. All this is leather and everything too. And then the inside has that corrugated material there. I do have my Lowbrow Customs Fuel Bottle in here. And this one actually has a gun strap on there also, which is kind of cool. So if you want a place to put your pistol, you can slide that down in there. On the back, got a couple different ways to tie it down. You got the D-rings there. And then now there's also spots that come with these straps on there. So if you want to use these, you can. In the past, I've actually had to cut holes in the back of the hard backing and make that work. This is actually a separate plastic piece, so these don't come through. That's a separate plastic piece that's stitched on here. So that piece there is hard plastic, and you can strap it that way. So I'm actually gonna remove these straps and use big wide zip ties to put it on, just so I don't have all this extra straps hanging on. But it's neat that it's included. So you can check out the description. Put a link in there. Check these out on the site. But it seems to be pretty good. So let's see how it looks on the bike. All right, guys, there it is. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty clean. Black leather looks good. But it doesn't stand out too much. Doesn't take away from the bike. I like that pretty good. I think that'll work. Got my fuel bottle in there since I've got a 2.2 gallon tank. And this is just a on-off petcock, but I do have a reserve one that I'm probably gonna put on there. But it'd be nice to have an extra fuel bottle. That looks pretty good.
time to get out and play. Amsoil delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at amsoil.com.